Hi, this is Max from Logo, and welcome to the Logo Infinity Skins Custom Skin Creator. When you first enter the website, you're going to come to this page, which is your face selection portal. From here, you're going to pick a starting face that you can then customize with dozens of different face and body options within the Skin Creator itself. These photos here are examples of different looks that you can create, but each face starts without any makeup and with default eyebrow and body options. So we're going to create a skin using the baby doll face. The next thing we need to do is enter our avatar name. In this case, we're making a skin for our assistant Solaire, so we're going to put her name in the text field. It's important that you enter your Second Life login name here and not your display name. And if your Second Life account was created after they changed the login to a single word, you need to enter resident as your last name, or the in-world kiosks are not going to recognize you. So then we're going to hit continue. So now the website knows who the skin is for, and it will also remember any past orders that you've had, and I'll explain why that's important in a moment. First, we're going to look at the base skin options. So up here you have different skin tone options, which are unique to every face. In this case, it's a baby doll face. So I have 4 here at the moment. So I'm going to start with the bloom tone. If you take a look at the bottom of the screen here, you'll notice that the base price is 500 lindens. That's the first price that you get the first time you buy a skin with a certain face and skin tone, in this case baby doll and bloom. If you had already purchased a baby doll skin in the bloom tone, then this price for this skin and for any other baby doll bloom skin that you make would be 200 lindens. This will all make sense more as we go through. You can read about our pricing policy by clicking this button here. But we're going to go ahead and give her a custom look. So let's start with the eyeshadow. I'm going to choose something classic, let's say the moonstone eyes here. And for a lipstick, let's go with the watermelon. So you can see now that the eyeshadow and the lipsticks are 100 each, so our price has now changed to 700 lindens. However, you only pay for any option once, which I'll explain in a little bit. So over here you'll see our face and body options. Almost all the rest of these options are 50 lindens each, except for the eyebrow and pubic hair colors, which are free, and the tattoos, which each have their own prices. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a different eyebrow style. Let's go with style 2, and I'm going to change the hair color to light brown. And you'll notice that the hair color is changing along with the eyebrow color, just so that you can have a better idea of how it's going to look in world. And let's give her some blush. Let's say blush 1. I'm also going to give her a little bit of cat eyeliner on there. And I'm also going to change the default lip shape to pouty. And what the hell, let's also give her some lip gloss. Alright, so I'm happy with the face, and now I'm going to leave actually the rest of the body default, except I'm going to give her the firm stomach tone, and I'm going to give her some enhanced brush shading. Well, let me just point out the nail option here. You'll see there's default nails and a no nail option, which is good for people that wear, let's say for example, our logo sculpted prim nails or a nail glove, and they don't want to see the skin nails underneath it. But I'm going to leave the nails on the skin for now. And so now I'm going to order a demo skin. And you'll see you get an option here to teleport directly to the store, or if you want to keep shopping, you can just close this. And I'm going to add that skin to the cart so that I remember it and I can make another skin. You can always go back into the cart later and delete a skin, but it's good to just keep them in there so that you have a number of different options and then pick the one that you want to buy. So now I'm going to go ahead and add another skin, and just want to quickly point out now that the base skin price you see is now dropped to 200 since she has a bloom skin in the cart. And if I switch to the pearl tone, you'll see jumps back up to 500 since she's never bought a pearl skin in the baby doll face. So let's go back to bloom, and similarly if you go to the moonstone eyeshadow, that is now free, as well as something like the cat eyeliner. So any other skin that you make in the future with baby doll and the bloom tone, you can add any options that you've purchased in the past for free, and you're just charged the 200 base skin price. So I'm not going to worry about this skin. I already ordered to demo the other one, so let's just jump into Second Life and see what you get with the demo. So here's Solaris in Second Life, and the first thing that she's going to do and that we recommend doing is to change the lighting setup. So she clicks the sky setting and she picks the Cal WL setting, which is a flat lighting setting. It's the lighting setting we use for all our photographs, and it'll allow you to see the skin without the Second Life shadows kind of getting in the way. So if you don't have that setting, there's instructions in the note card you get with the demo that explains how to get it. So now Solaris is standing next to one of these Infinity Skin kiosks, and she's just going to click it to get her demo. So now the kiosk is going to contact the server and find out what you ordered, and in a few seconds you should get a folder. And there she got a folder, so she's going to keep that. So you can see now she has a folder with a bunch of items in it. Every skin that we release, starting with the baby doll skin, after that is what we're calling a Viewer 2 Enhanced skin, which means that you are going to get a base skin along with every other option that you purchased on a tattoo layer. So that's on top of getting a complete skin at the end with all your options on one skin. That skin will be delivered usually the same day, but up to 48 hours after you place your order. Any skin before the baby doll skin, what you're going to get when you get a demo is a base skin with the default brown eyebrows and the eyeshadow that you picked on the skin, and then just the lipstick. So the other options, unfortunately, you can't demo, but we highly recommend that you try out some of the pre-made skins that are in the store to get an idea of what some of these options look like on you. But in this case, with the baby doll skin, that you're going to get a folder with two different base skins. One of the base skins has the default brown eyebrows. You would use this skin to try out the demo if you're using a non-Viewer 2 third-party viewer that only allows one tattoo layer. So then you can wear that skin that has eyebrows, because without the eyebrows it's not very attractive, but you can wear it with the eyebrows and try out the different tattoo layers to get an idea of what your final skin will look like. If you are using a Viewer 2 viewer, we recommend you start with the no brow version and then wear the tattoo layers on top of that to build your skin. You'll notice that each tattoo layer has an L number in it, starting from L0 and going up to L8. That tells you what order you should be wearing the layers in. So L1 should be worn first, and then L8 would be worn last. The other thing that you're seeing in the folder is some clothing layers, and the clothing layers will be demos of the body options that you chose. So with all these options in the folder, you should be able to recreate a demo of your final skin. So Solaris is going to start with the no brows, and then start with, you'll see she's got two different versions of the lipstick, the regular version and the pouty version, so you can try both on to see which one you like better. But she ordered the pouty, so she's going to put that on, and then one at a time she will add another tattoo layer. So here you can see a final version of her skin created using the tattoo layers, and so she likes the skin, so let's take it back to the website and complete the order. So here we are back at the cart page of the website, and you can see she's got one skin in her cart, and you can see under the summary there's a listing of every feature that is on that skin. So the only thing you need to do is click the checkout button, and that will bring up the order confirmation page, which just gives you your order number, which we recommend keeping in case you ever need to contact us with a question or a problem with your order, and an option to teleport to the store to pick up your skin. So back in Second Life, now Solaris is going to click on the kiosk a second time, and you'll see that the kiosk says it's found your order and you need to pay, in this case, $1,050. So she's going to right click on the kiosk and pay it. Once the skin has been paid for, in a few seconds she will get a folder with her base skin and all the options that she picked on her tattoo layers. So there it is. So she's got a base skin now, two base skins, one with brows and without brows, and all the other options that she picked are included on tattoo layers. So you're welcome to wear these tattoo layers along with your base skin in different combinations if you have a Viewer 2 compliant viewer, and you can wear multiple tattoo layers, or you can wear these tattoo layers with other Infinity skins that you buy to create different looks. So the more skins that you buy, the more options that you have, and you can mix and match them as much as you want. So there's one final step, and in a few moments she's going to be getting a folder with her final skin. So let's skip ahead. So now you can see that Solaris has gotten a delivery from See the Logo Difference, which is a bag with her custom skin in it, along with her detailed order information. So she's going to res the bag and take all the contents out. Now you can see she's res the bag, and every skin comes in this puppy bag. So you can see that inside the bag she's got her final skin with all her options, along with a hair base, which we highly recommend you start with to get the proper eyebrow shape, and an order card which has the details of everything that you ordered with that order. So here she is wearing her final custom skin that was designed just for her. Hopefully you found this tutorial useful, and if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact us in World.